Hello and welcome to VUAG Finance. This is episode 10 of building an investment portfolio from £0 to £100,000. If you're new to the channel, I only invest in one fund, and that is the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulation Fund, which is ticker code VUAG on London Stock Exchange. So it was a positive week for the stock market last week. The US jobs report was released, which was positive, and that led to a jump in the S&P 500. The fund which I invest in, VUAG, which tracks the S&P 500, is up in excess of 1% across the past week. So the S&P 500 is currently trading around 6,000, which is not far from its all-time high. VUAG, although it's up in the past week, is still significantly down from its all-time high, and that's purely due to the dollar weakening against the pound. So the dollar is still trading about 0.74 to the GBP, which is down from about 0.8 at the beginning of the year. So it'll be interesting to see how the dollar performs over the coming weeks and months. I utilise a dollar cost averaging approach whereby I invest £385 each and every week. And that equates to £20,000 per annum. I'll show you my purchase for the week, and I'll also show you my portfolio as a whole, so you can see how my portfolio is performing as a whole. So let's get into it. This is how the Vanguard S&P 500 Accumulation Fund, or VUAG, has performed over the past 5 days. You can see that it's up in excess of 1% across the past 5 days, and it's now trading at 84.47. As I said, although the fund has moved up in the past week, it's still significantly down on its all-time high, which I think is around £93. And that's entirely due to the fact that the US dollar has weakened against the pound. So if we do see the dollar starting to strengthen again, then it should shoot up in value. This is my purchase for the week. I bought £385 worth of shares. The price was 84.48, so that bought me 4.55729 shares. And that was executed today on the 9th of June. So the purchase price this week is significantly up on last week. My average price is now in excess of £80. So the fund is moving in the right direction, but obviously my average price is moving up each and every week, which is a good thing. So this is my portfolio as a whole. You can see I now own 48.103 shares at an average price of £80.03. The value of the fund, my portfolio as a whole, is now £4,063.42, and we're in the green. We're up £213.42, which is a gain of 5.54%. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.